Hi guys, welcome to Print Ride. I'm your host Ranveer, and today we came up with a new video of T-Ride, a subsidy of Print Ride. In this video, we are launching the ready stock model for 180 GSM regular t-shirts. So in this video, you will come to know what are the colors we have and what are the quality features we have, like the fabric quality and everything. So guys, stay tuned with the video, and if you are new to the channel, do subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for further notification, or call our hotline number for any query. So guys, let's start the video. So guys, all of you know that couple of months back we have launched our t-shirt brand T-Ride, and that brand we focus for the brands, showrooms and all the fashion houses. So do not consider this is a garment fabric for printing market or you like cheap clothes and all. No, these are showroom pieces. All brands can use, all big brands in the country what we have, they use similar kind of fabrics to their brand. So this is a branded fabric, and we make it specially for the showrooms, e-com and establishments who are in the fashion market. It's not one-time t-shirt or event t-shirt or party t-shirt, one-time use and throw political campaign t-shirt. No, this is a fashion wear t-shirt. So it is like for the brands. So as we have started 2 months back, so we have started with the made to order models. So many of our clients loved it. They ordered us. We have done thousands of pieces in made to order pieces for them. So we have made, and the production is keep on going on for that thing. We have keep on production is going on for made to orders. So that is the fixed segments of t-shirts for all the brands with different brand companies with different quantities. So that is the made to orders, customized orders, and different colors and everything, all the styles and all. That is for the brands. Now in this video we are also giving good news for our newcomers or a startup who can't afford for a huge lot of t-shirt or doesn't have to start humble beginning of a business. For them, we'll keep ready stock for around 8 colors. These are sample colors here as you have seen. So we'll keep a stock of ready color of 8 color shades. In that color shade, you can choose your favorite one. So we'll keeping 8 color shades for the ready stock model. So we'll have a ready stock in our warehouse. You can buy 10, 20, 30, 100, 1000, 2000. That is your wish. We'll have this 8 ready color stock. As you have seen, you can see in the screen, these are the 8 colors what we'll be having as a ready stock to in our warehouse, where you can buy minimum quantity of 1 piece, or you can buy a maximum of thousands of pieces. That is your wish. So we'll be keeping the ready stock for our clients. Second thing, if you want to make made to orders, we have 40 plus colors, we have 30 plus color every time in the stock. So we will have 40 plus color very soon, but as of now you will get around 30 plus color shades to choose from. So as is a ready stock and we can't keep so many colors in ready stock, so we have choose these 8 colors, and these 8 colors will be in the ready stock. So you can call us, you can contact us and grab a t-shirt today. So guys, hope you like the video. So do try and test the t-shirt before purchasing a bulk order. Order some t-shirt, buy a single t-shirt, feel the t-shirt, wash the t-shirt, like the t-shirt, then you buy it. So guys, hope you like the video. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, see you soon.